Kani gade ke Patisi TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Hadin kumbalai bena jong kaji penkre ya kaji ko mere thong ne ya kabala tep kum kasora marathon. Kaji ko kabala sandor na pedang ki weipan kaji la kai bahe ka perthai. Haka arpsan trek mentau naila. Palat praspa ngot ki nomere kan thai bat senrang. Na kaleng kajela bat ki bana bar jela ru kumjo kila yeshim menta hakani kaji ko marathon kabala tep kum kasora marathon. Ya kani kaji ko hakani kasni lamaj phang do lampang ka yindor bar thawan kajela. Hakaju kopor ubolong ru presiden yang kaseng United Democratic Party Dr. Don Kuparoy ubolong ru nomik mat na Poshela constituency batkum kadak jong kani jingstang ya kani Jacob ula set da kasuloi shikuri shasun beneng hak Jacob lawan sakhi langru dau MLA kasora constituency uba Gavin Melemngam kinoi lam ka Rotary Club of Shillong bat kiwe ya kani Jacob la phia ki arbanta kawai kadi ka full marathon hakaba kinong mare kihap an mare ka jingjangai ka ba 100 kilometer bat kawai pat kadi ka half marathon hakaba kihap an mare tangkumba arpway kilometer. Hakani Jacob haka full marathon ka basau puar kilometer. Nakalang kisan rang la job do ba landing walang ubana mau kerwan. Balawan ba arpat uday umudang oma. Bat balawan balai uday u adinu mekonen. Nakikan thaipat haka full marathon ya kanam la do la job deka Shamili Singh. Kabalawan ba arpat kadai ka kong dari shisha yang jo bat kabalawan balai pat kadai ka kong dapika pakenten. Kini kinang job nolor kita kema kelio kusnam ru da kapisa ke basilak tingka yaki bawan baningkong sanpo hajar tingka yaki wan baar bat arpo hajar tingka yaki bawan balai haka half marathon pat ke baar pui kilometer na kishan rang ke balawan baningkong udai ram naresh nang ta ubala job baar udai Sanjay Gurung bat ubalawan balai pat udai Bharat Bhushan na kikintai pat haka half marathon la job da ke makak mayum mina rashi nang ta ka kong deiti bankan ma marwen kelawan baar bat ke Sevika Rai kelawan balai. Kini pat ke kusnam da kasong pisa kalong arpsan hajar tingka, sipo hajar bat pra hajar tingka. Excuse me. Yes. Everybody. Yes. Congratulations. Wow, great job. Move back. Congratulations. The second winner. Yes. Congratulations. He's from Makuwat. Second place is Mudala. Well done. Come on. Oh, you Bedford. Well done. Congratulations. Come. Hey, please.
Jinjok jongai kul marathon da setenat hingga melim pancim tai kul marathon setenat sibun ni ba sa senong gendong garut ro kamlong kum hasil jumi senong gendong marathon di seruk video dan seruk mau tu ni senong gendong da selong tu garut ni da ni jo melim praktis untuk garut hasil jumi di Kamdabha garut setenat pengenai kunci bertada ya setenat istilah kemana baru nama ya wan kunci berta wan koi pakia nama nama undai kejim tur kejim mong dari kena kejim sim berta dari kejim sim berta wan ya sistem sioba kemudian ya setenat ya sim berta.
In Sora, we wanted to promote Sora as a tourist destination, and we have some of the best sports person runners in India. Today also the first prize was taken by a boy from Makurwat, Wala. And by having this marathon, more and more people can participate. And so Sora has a name in the world. That's the bettest place in the world. So we wanted to use that also. And I tell you, people from Bombay have come. There are 4 foreign runners, Delhi, everywhere. It's a wonderful run, and single one is saying it's one of the best organized marathons. This is our first marathon we have organized, but thank God, it's gone up very well, and people are all praises.